Good morning, guys. Since yesterday was an ugly day, I'm gonna make today a pretty day. Today, starting out with tidying up my fort and then making the A-frame, and we are going to attempt to make bread. Oh, so excited. One thing I really miss is good bread from South Africa. Oh, it's breakfast time and Andre is cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to make some dough to try and make a traditional South African type of bread. You guys might think it's possibly similar to puri, but it's less thin, it's more doughy. Let's see how it turns out. Today I'm not the one crying. Andre is. He's cutting the onions. Yay! This is our flour that we got yesterday. And thanks to our neighbor, we have a ton of yeast, so I can go crazy. And as you guys have seen, I'm not the best at cooking, so I am going to follow a recipe today. Hopefully that makes these things a success. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of flour. It does say cake flour, so I'm hoping atta is the same thing, just healthier. So what I've done now is I have dissolved the yeast into some lukewarm water, and now I'm going to add it to my flour mixture and hope it turns into a dough. Breakfast today made by Andre. A cool looking omelette and some kimchi. Okay, time to get my hands dirty. So I'm not sure if this is the right consistency, but I hope it is. Ugh, full of dough. Something you guys must know about me, I love bread. Any form. Even baked or unbaked. So I am going to lick my fingers. The next step is to cover it with a damp cloth. And then I'm gonna leave it, I have to leave it somewhere warm. So I'm guessing right here where the stove is, because when you switch on the stove it gets hot, so it will be warm. Hopefully that helps. Okay, now he must dry. So I changed for the next part of my day because we are going to construct our pull-up bar, and hopefully by the end of the 21 days I will be able to do 1 successful pull-up. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're looking now if the angle is correct. We are making the angle sharper and making this thing fit in better. So just tailoring the hole a little bit. It's harder than you can imagine to make it with a hand saw. I miss the electric saw.
It has to be like that.
See? Ow!
The problem is you cut at an angle on bamboo.
So as you can see, it looks like they're kind of at the same depth. So now we're gonna just have to smack a hole in the middle and it breaks out. It's like magic. We're going to chisel it out. Just got news from a big fan and neighbor that there's fruit nearby. So quickly grabbed our stuff, off to go buy some fruit. Our friend on the back of our fan's bike. Wow, we're leaving Ragailong. Dun 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 dun! Fruit. Got the fish with their teeth. Ooh. Hello, Mr. Fish. We have watermelons, grapes, apples, bananas. We're all set for like the next week. Yeah, I'm the guy there. days. Oh, so happy to have fruit. I'm about to try my first hand at chiseling. Let's see how it goes. Yay! It's cracking. That's it?
A little bit more.
Like that.
Okay. Now we flip and we do the other side.
Woo! Ah, look how it splits.
Now break it out completely.
Wow. Ooh, my first piece of chiseling done. Looks so neat. Let's check it out for the first time, how the two pieces fit together. Wow, it's perfect like a puzzle. Wow. What is this for?
There's a filling glue between the pieces.
Oh, what was that noise?
It's cracked a little bit, I think. But hopefully...
This is our first A-frame. So we're gonna make another one and then put a pole across that way. And then I'll be able to do a pull-up. Well, at least try and do a pull-up. Yay, it's getting some light and sun, which means it should be growing better. Ooh, looks so good. Now to knead my dough again. It's grown, but not as big as it should be. But this time I'm gonna use a trick. I'm gonna put some oil on my hands, so then technically it shouldn't stick too much. I cover my hands completely in oil. Okay, so my cloth is a little dry. I'm gonna wet it again and put it back in our room. It's now going to start getting sun, so hopefully this baby will grow quickly, really big. So this is totally happening today. Day 9. Whee!
Cassie's busy working on mine, so today I'll take a video of the sunset.
Good evening, guys. I just finished teaching my last class. It's now like almost 8 p.m. and my dough is looking a little sad. But I'm gonna try anyway. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see what's happening. Ooh, it's deep frying, yummy. And it's blowing up into a ball. So that's my first one, but it's a bit small. And this is my second Vetkoek. Yummy. What's up? They're supposed to look like. And then inside they're supposed to be like a little doughy and a little empty. Hollow. Okay, so it's not very good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this dough until tomorrow morning. Maybe if it has chance to rise again, I'll try and make more in the morning and see if they turn out better. For now, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully tomorrow's morning's Vetkoeks will be better. Enjoy your evening, guys, and I will see you